Question number 14. Find the particular solution of differential equation Ex tan y dx plus 2 minus Ex sec square y dy is equal to 0. Given that y is equal to pi by 4 when x is equal to 0. Or find the particular solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus 2y tan x is equal to sine x given that y is equal to 0 when x is equal to pi by 3. Solution of this first part: Ex tan y dx plus 2 minus Ex sec square y dy is equal to 0. Using variable separable form, we'll get Ex dx upon Ex minus 2 is equal to sec square y dy upon tan y. Now integrating both sides, we'll get integration Ex minus 2 is equal to integration dy plus integration of c. Moving further, integration of Ex minus 2 is equal to integration of c tan y, where Ex minus 2 is equal to c tan y. This is what we get after solving this equation. It was given in the question that x is equal to 0 and y is equal to pi by 4. Now putting the values of x and y in the equation above, we'll get e raised to the power 0 minus 2 is equal to c tan pi by 4. Now moving further, now since e raised to the power 0 is equal to 1, we'll get 1 minus 2 is equal to c into 1, because the value of tan pi by 4 is also 1. Moving further, we'll get the value of c as minus 1. Then hence Ex minus 2 plus tan y is equal to 0. Now the question: find the particular solution of differential equation dy by dx plus 2y tan x is equal to sine x given that y is equal to 0 when x is equal to pi by 3. Solution: the given differential equation is dy by dx plus 2 tan x y is equal to sine x. The above equation is a linear differential equation that is of form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p is equal to 2 tan x and q is equal to sine x. Now with the help of the formula, if we put the values and solve the equation, we'll get the value as sec square x. Now the solution of the above differential equation is given by this formula, where y into sec square x is equal to integration of sine x into sec square x dx. Simplifying it further, we'll get the equation y sec square x is equal to sec x plus c. Putting the value of y and x into the above equation, we'll get sec pi by 3 plus c is equal to 0, where the value of c will be c is equal to minus sec pi by 3, that will be minus 2. Hence it is proved y sec square x minus sec x plus 2 is 0.